So in this video we'll discuss something about dosage form. Okay, so study of dose, okay, is known as posology, study of doses. Okay, and the way the drug is given, okay, it will be first converted into a particular dosage form and then it will be given to the person. Now it may be solid dosage form, semi-solid dosage form, or it may be a liquid dosage form. Okay, so we have already discussed many things related to pharmaceutics, and this is an area where you should know some basic concepts about doses, like what are the types by which we give drugs to the person, right? Now in this solid dosage form, you see there is unit dosage form and bulk dosage form. What do you mean by that? Unit dosage form का मतलब ये हुआ कि a person has to take a single tablet or 2 tablet or 3 tablets a day. So it's a unit. Okay, each tablet is a unit, right? So in unit dosage form, it will be given via a particular unit per day or particular unit per time, right? In bulk dosage form, it will be given like in as in a powder, in the powder form, right? And it will be given to the patient to take twice a day, thrice a day, but the amount of the drug is not fixed, right? It is given in bulk, so bulk dosage form. Okay, for example, in unit dosage form you have tablet, capsule, some pills and some powder also, some powder in fixed quantity. Okay, so we take this sachet like ORS powder, okay, and you'll take this one ORS powder in 1 liter of water also, and then we'll mix it and we use it daily throughout the day. Okay, so it will be unit dosage form. And this bulk dosage form, like in dusting powder we used in, like any fungal infection we use ketoconazole dusting powder, right? And some insufflations, dentifrices, snuffs, okay, snuffs via nose, okay, dentifrices, it is used in dentistry. Okay, it will be external, so it is used to help in whitening of the teeth. Okay, now insufflations, with the help of insufflators we give drugs in bulk, okay, and dusting powder also. Okay, now in internal use, in any surgical intervention, fine powders are used, so it can be antibiotics. Okay, there are granules and effervescent granules, very important, effervescent granules. So what are effervescent granules? Effervescent granules are those granules which forms effervescence, which is due to presence of CO2, which is very important. Okay, so drugs can be formed in granules form or powder form, are given in bulk, and it for internal use and also for external use. So I think it's basically clear. We'll discuss more about it. Semi-solid dosage form will given in external use or some internal use. Now in external use we have ointment, creams, paste and jellies. In the external use we have ointments, right? So we use many ointments like salicylic ointment for psoriasis. We use cream, okay, for like some moisturizing cream we use for dry skin, right? There are toothpaste, there are jellies. Okay, so these are semi-solid dosage form. Internal use, so we have suppositories and pessaries. Okay, we have bogies. So these preparations are semi-solid and are used in a particular body cavity. Okay, so pessaries are generally in the vaginal cavity, and suppositories are basically in the rectal cavity, and there are bogies in the urethral cavity. Okay, so there are different semi-solid formation. In the liquid dosage formation, in the internal, in the internal for we use like syrups, we drink syrup, right, elixirs, linctors and drops, so we take by oral route, okay, by oral route. So this is internal liquid dosage form, right? But external dosage form, we actually, what we do, these are for outside, we don't take it by oral route, right? So liniments, some lotions, okay. Now gargles, throat pain, mouth washes, you see, these are like you take and you rinse the mouth and then throw it out, right? For eye lotions and eye drops and nasal drops like xylomethazolene, so nasal drops like xylomethazolene are used for, very important, for running nose, severe running nose, right? And there are many other things which have already discussed and will be discussed in future terms for pharmaceutics. So तब तक के लिए टाटा, okay.